All right, so today we're going to go over a little hidden feature that is actually on this Medicure Aerolite bag. So if you turn it around here, you're going to notice that there is 3 extra D-rings on here. So we can actually take this carry bag for the Medicure Aerolite and transfer it into a backpack. And I'll kind of show you how to do this. So first we'll unclasp it here from the place that the carry strap goes to. We're going to take our carry strap and just expand it out. So it's pretty big. So that should be enough for us. And then what we're going to do is take one end and thread it through the big D-ring on the middle of the bag first, like so. So we have 2 ends here. So we're going to connect one to this D-ring and then one to this D-ring here. And now your MedaCure Aerolite carry bag turns into a backpack. So that's just a nice little extra feature that is built into the standard carry bag that comes with these units. Again, any other questions you have, please let us know. But this was a nice little feature that they included with the carry bag for this concentrator.